this is my IMDb clone app. The title is that IMDb, it has a search bar and a favorite bar. However, it shows that. For example, let me search a movie, let's say Spider-Man. So when I write Spider, it shows me the suggestion of the movie, and with each, when I hover over to each suggestion, it shows me the title of the movie and its release date and a favorite button. So let me add one of them to as my favorite by clicking at the star button. So you can see it has been added to the favorite button as it shows the number 1 button. So when I click to my favorite list, it shows me the movie, and when I click to the movie, it shows me the details image of the movie, the details of the movie. When I hover over it, it changes to a different color, like details like its IMDb rating, its writer, its actor, and below that I have added the plot of the movie, which gives a small introduction about the movie. And I have added 2 buttons to another div, like it's go to its original IMDb page and go back to search. So let me go to its original IMDb page. So my JS file will take the movie to the original IMDb page. So this is the original IMDb page of my favorite movie. So let me introduce to my applications how I made that. So my application contains an index.html file, which is my main front end file, and a movie.html file which contains the movie I'll click to know the details, and its styling file, and then its JS file. So my index.html file contains the reference link to the bootstrap link, which is reference to my CSS file. Font awesome link has been added. So for the favorite button, which I use as star from the front end icon, and my reference to the CSS file. So my body contains a navigation bar, a search bar, and a favorite button, which I showed you. So and this is the container for the suggestions of movie I'll search for. It contains the jQuery link, and my JS file link has been added to it. So let me show you how I styled the app. So this is the styling of my main body, which I given it to a green color of background, and this is the styling of the suggestion of movie, that how the movie suggestions will be shown, how it's tight, like I've given the title a blue violet color, the year will be shown in gray color, like how I hover over it. This is the search input styling. This is how the movie will be shown. This is the star button styling. And this is how my favorite movies will be aligned and shown to the user. This is styling. This is the styling of how the movie details will be shown, how the arrangement will be done, how the IMDb button and go back to search button styling has been added. So let me serve it to my JS file. So my JS file, I got this API from the OMBDI app API. It gave me the my link through email. I added the key here, and this is here my code proceed. So this is my search input. So the search tag will I am get from the user through the index.html file. The get movie function, which I have written it below, will search that movie which I have entered to search for. This is how my favorite list will be stored. The listing of the favorite movies will be stored. This is my get movie function, in which if I have not found the movie, it will show me the no match found, and the movies I searched, this is how the suggestions will be shown. And this is how when I click the movie, this is how the details will be shown. It will show me the release date, its IMDb rating, its director, actor in a listed manner. Another div will show me the plot of the movie, and another div will have the view IMDb page of that movie, and another that will take me back to the index.html file. My last page is movie.html, which is the detail of the movie page. It contains all the styling, reference link, and a suggestion, and a navigation bar, and the container which contains the details of the movie, and the JS file reference link, and at the end I have called the get movie function, which will get me the details of the movie.